Umango lo isihlahla sikamango. Sona sonke lesi umango lo isihlahla sikamango lesi. This is a mango tree. If you are experiencing or you are having problem with ulcers and piles, you need to get this. Get the bulk of this tree, boil it, drink it early in the morning, 1 hour before meal and in the afternoon. Isihlahla sikamango lesi uma kuthi uphethwe ama-piles noma uphethwe ama-ulcer, thola amagxolo wakhona, xebula amagxolo, ukupheke, ukuphuze ekuseni nantambama. And also uma kuwukuthi umuntu one-high blood, thola amahlamvu wawo umango, uwapheke, uwabilise, ulokwane uwaphuza ekuseni nantambama, leso sifo sizokwazi ukuthi sihlukane nawo emzimbeni wakho.